When looking at a graph of a function, it often seems obvious that there are peaks and troughs. These peaks and troughs are what we call relative maximums and relative minimums. Here we can see two relative maxima of this particular function, and similarly two relative minima. Formally, the mathematical definition for maxima on an interval is that for a given interval, x1 to x2, there exists a value a such that for all other values of x in that interval, f of x is strictly less than or equal to f of a. Let's use this picture to clarify that technical math definition. Visually, we can see that the point a f of a is higher than any other point in the indicated interval. However, it is not necessarily the highest point on the graph. If we were to pick a point outside the interval indicated, it's okay for that point to be greater, so long as in the given interval, a is the maximum point. Here's a very similar technical definition for the minima on an interval. Once again, when we're looking at the interval, the minima is the point for which there is no point further down in the graph. It does not matter if outside of that interval there is a point which is lower. The relative minima is still at a.